activity you will need a wood burner, some sandpaper, a wood cookie, and some colored pencils. To begin with, sand the wood cookie until it is smooth. Next, lightly sketch out a design on the wood cookie, what you plan to do. Then, use the wood burner to carefully burn in the design into the wood. Understand, the wood burner is very hot. It's hot enough to burn wood. It'll also burn skin. You can use colored pencils to add color to your design after you've burnt it in with the wood burner. As you're using the colored pencils, it's important to remember that the wood burner is still sitting somewhere and still very hot. Be mindful of where you've placed it and whether it's safe. If you need to go back with the wood burner to make the design darker or deeper, go ahead.